Hello guys, welcome in our YouTube channel. Today I am telling you what is digital marketing. Before video starting, I am requested you please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So what is digital marketing? Any marketing that uses electronic devices and can be used by marketing specialists to convey promotional messaging and measure its impact through your customer journey and participate digital marketing typical refers to marketing campaigns that appear on a computer, phone, tablets, or other devices. It can take many forms, including online video display ads, searches, engine marketing, paid social ads, and social media posts. Digital marketing is a digital marketing is a sorry before and display ads, searching engine marketing, paid social ads, and social media posts. Digital marketing is often compared to traditional marketing such as magnesium ads, billion boards, and direct mail. Only television is usually looped in with the traditional marketing. Did you know that more than three quarters of Americans go online on a daily basis? Not only that, but 43% go on more than one a day, and 26% are online almost constantly. These figures are even higher among mobile internet users. 89% of American goes online at last daily, and 31% are online almost constantly. As a marketing, it's important to take advertise of the digital world with an online advertising performance by building brand, providing a great customer experience that also bring more potential customer and more with the digital marketing. A digital marketing strategy allows to lever different digital channels such as social media, pay per click, search engine optimization, and email marketing to connect with the existing customer and individual interested in your products or services. As a result, you can building a brand, provided a great customer experience, bring in optional customer and more. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotions of brands and connect with customers using the internet and other form of digital communication. This includes not only email, social media, and web-based advertising, but also text and multimedia messages marketing channel.